In this lesson, we'll connect to our Linode virtual server using Putty. First, log into your linode.com hosting account. We'll need to use the IP address found here to connect. Note that your IP will be different from mine. Now open Putty. Copy the IP address and paste it into the hostname field. Leave all the other settings as default. So make sure your connection type is SSH, port is 22, and for the last option here, close window on exit, check off the third option. Save these connection settings by typing a name into this field. So I'll just call it my Linode, and I'll click the save button. So these settings will be now permanently saved in our Putty interface. Once you've done that, click open. When you see this security alert appear, just click yes. Now you'll be prompted for your username. We're going to log in as the root user, so type in root. Next, you'll be prompted for the password. Enter the password you configured in your Linode control panel and press enter. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see a welcome message appear. If you've forgotten your password, view the lesson in this section titled Changing Root Password.